Okay, so after the fanfare, we're gonna go straight into Hail to the Huskies. And I will say, this is probably our most technically challenging piece out of all of pregame, so just be sure to take some extra care with this while you practice it. We're gonna go ahead, same drill as the last video, play the whole thing for you under tempo, and then we'll break it down for you further after the whole rep. By the way, we might say the word rep a lot. Rep means like repetition or like a run through. So yeah, again, take this slower than what we have if you need to. And if you have it comfortable to where we're at, feel free to play along with us in your practice. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6.
That was good. Shout out. All right, so as you heard, this one is pretty notey. The full tempo for this piece is 132. Sounds like this. There's a lot of cool but tricky runs in this piece, so it will definitely benefit you to take some of those fast-moving runs at a slower tempo before and gradually working your way up. I recommend about 6 or 7, times through it. Here we will play for you the pickup notes in the measure 39 and go until measure 46. This marks what we call a dogfight, which we play at the end of the pregame show after we play the Star Spangled Banner. And it's important that we have a clear sense of our pitch and rhythm, as this is a rather exposed part.
Yeah, so here is just the beginning part, the dogfight. This is like rhythmically our trickiest part. So we're just gonna play that for you really slow, just so you can get it in your head. And we'd recommend you playing it this slow as well, if not even slower. 5, 6, 5.